Let's take a few minutes to tour the Quicken 2014 Premier interface and learn how to access different tools and features in Quicken. When you open Quicken, you'll see three main areas: the account bar along the left side of the screen, the tab centers in the middle of the screen, and the menus and toolbar along the top of the screen. In this example file, we've already added a bunch of accounts and data for demonstration purposes. When you first open Quicken, you'll need to add your accounts and other information. Let's start here by talking about the account bar on the left. The account bar is a tool you use to view your account balances and access your account registers. It lists all the accounts you've added to Quicken and organizes your accounts by type. It also lists the balance in each account, the total for each account type, and the balance of your overall net worth here at the bottom of the bar. This tool helps you conveniently switch between your accounts. The one-step update icon in the top of the accounts bar downloads new transactions and the latest online balances for your accounts. You can add another account by clicking the Add an Account button in the bottom of the account bar. You can minimize and maximize the account bar by clicking the small arrow in the top left of the bar. Now let's take a look at what Quicken calls the tabbed centers in the main area of the screen. These tabs across the top of the screen allow you to access tools and features that are organized around common financial activities. When you first open Quicken, the Home tab will be open. By default, this shows a pie chart of your spending by category over the last month, a list of your upcoming bill reminders, and a snapshot of your budget. If you haven't set up your categories, bill and income reminders, or budget yet, it will prompt you to do that on this screen. You can customize what you see on the Home tab by clicking the Customize button here. For example, you may want to put your main spending account register on the Home tab. Note that this is the only tab that allows customization. You can also add another view of the Home tab by clicking Add View, or see pop-up Help on the Home tab by clicking View Guidance. The next tab is the Spending tab. Click this tab to see a breakdown of where your money is going. The third tab is the Bills tab. Use this page to set up scheduled reminders of your upcoming bills and income. The next tab is the Planning tab. Use this tab to create budgets, tax plans, savings goals, and long-term financial plans. Use the Investing tab to track the overall performance of your investment portfolio. If you've added property or debt accounts to Quicken, you'll see the Property and Debt tab. This tab gives you snapshots of your net worth, property, and debt. The Mobile and Alerts tab is used for setting up the WebEx mobile app for your mobile device, as well as email and text reminder alerts about your accounts. You can go through tutorials and see videos for how to use Quicken at the Tips and Tutorials tab. At the bottom, the To-Do button shows you your reminders, whether you need to do a one-step update, and tells you which transactions to review. The Help button at the bottom is actually a link to an online Quicken community question board. I'd recommend skipping this button and starting with the Help tool available in the top menu for any support you need. To find that, click Help from the top file menu and click Quicken Help. You can search this Quicken Help or review the contents. The menus at the top of the screen are a great way to access the tools and features in Quicken. Most of the commands in the menus are also available in the tab centers, but sometimes it's just easier to use the menus to quickly find the command. Use the File menu for opening, saving, importing, and exporting Quicken files. Use the Edit menu for finding text across fields in an account you have open. Use the View menu for changing the view of the menus, toolbar, registers, fonts, account bar, or tab centers. The Tools menu is a handy access point for several of the tools also available in the account bar and tab centers. For example, you can view the account list, category list, memorized payee list, password vault, or do a one-step update from this menu. The Reports menu allows you to display reports on your financial information. You can also access the Reports and Graphs Center from this menu. The Help menu is the best place to go to search for basic Quicken support. You can access the Getting Started guide and the online community. If you like, you can also show the Quicken toolbar by clicking View, Show Toolbar. You can add tool buttons that you commonly use to this toolbar by clicking this Customize tool on the right. Take the time to get familiar with the Quicken user interface. Once you know your way around Quicken, You'll be able to navigate your accounts and the different tools and features that Quicken offers.